Welcome to Pocket Women Lockpicking and Locksport. Today is Lockout, Tagout Tuesday. The day where we pick our lotto locks, our lockout, tagout locks, the locks that keep our workers safe. We explode them, we explore them, we show them off and we pick them. That's what Tuesdays are all about. So if you feel like picking a lockout, tagout lock, put the hashtag lotto lock Tuesday and we will all be able to find it and have a watch of it. Today, something pretty special. I'm going to attempt a out-the-pack pick of this first time in Australia, the Paclock PL410PRO. How about that? This was given to me by Starrylock, so let's put this here so we can remember who was so generous to send this to me. So check out Starrylock on YouTube. Excellent picker, fantastic locks, well worth checking out his channel. So I'm going to try and pick this out the pack. So this is the lock we're talking about. Isn't it gorgeous? It is a 7-pinner. They say that it has 200,000 combinations of keys you can get. This is a game changer in lockout, tagout locks. What makes this lock so special? Well, it was made by a family-owned business. That's really important to me. I really like to support the family-run businesses. Now this is key retaining. You must have the shackle closed before you can get your key back. Now that's locked, that's the key. So I'm going to have to go in with my Jason Carlson pick and try and get onto this little gatekeeper here so I can get to that last pin, and then this one. Oh, I've got to try not to overset that. Get to that one and then get to that one, and then we're picked. So I haven't had a try of this yet. This is an out the pack pick for me. I only got this today. So I'm feeling it a little bit early, but we'll call this my practice, and if I can pick this, I will be very happy. So the keyway, well, it looks wide open. However, the first pin is really close to the front. So you're going to be binding that with a top of the keyway. So we're going to try and put that in and then raise it up a bit so that we're not binding that first pin. So I'm going to go top of the keyway. Start off with me Jason Carlson. I'll probably go to me Daz Evers, me Snakewood. So let's see how we go. Out the pack pick. Alright, and go in sideways. Right. Okay, find a comfortable position. In frame's always good. Let's give it a go. So all the way at the back, try and find a binder first. There we go, that's a click. Click on 6. Little click on 4. Click on 3. Binding number 2. Alright, change picks. Go to the number 2. Oh, in frame's good. And number 1. Oh, that was number 2. 3. 5. Going all the way at the back. Let's see what we've got going on here. Now Paclock has done some really special things for lock sporters. They do small runs, so you can get a lock from Paclock, Pacific Lock Company, with your own logo and name on it. They do short runs. They support lock sporters. They're interested to hear what we've got to say about their locks. They want to be a better lock company than what's out there. In 98 they deliberately set themselves up in direct competition with the American lock done by Master Lock. So they were definitely setting themselves up to take on Master Lock, American Lock. And they certainly have. And now they've put out this lockout tagout lock. 7 pins, extruded in America, put together in America. Ultrasonic welding. Beautiful seam. Ooh. So if there's any Aussie pickers out there that would like to have a go at this new PL410PRO lockout tagout lock from Pacific Lock Company, let me know and I'll send it your way and you too can have a shot at a 7-pinner. So I'm happy to send this lock around Australia. Give the Aussie lock sporters the opportunity to have fun with this lock. Now the advantage is that's a dead core, so dropping my tension wrench like this isn't a problem. It means that it won't spin back and drop all the pins on me. So just because you drop your tension wrench doesn't mean you've lost everything you've just picked. So this is my first attempt to pick this. This is, I'm going to call this my practice run, and if I get it on my practice run, yeah, great, I'll take it. So this is Sunday. I'm doing this for Lockout Tagout Tuesday. So if I pick this, I'll hold this video off till Tuesday and post it then. Otherwise, if I don't get this, I'm going to keep practicing on Monday and then we'll have another shot at it on Tuesday. Lots of nice clicking going on. So if you want to see what's inside one of these, check out Murloc68. He has picked this and he has opened it up and had a look. So if you want to see what the pins look like, you want to see the internal mechanisms, head over to Murloc68 and check out his video on the PL410PRO. Because there's no point in me cutting this one open and sacrificing this lock when it's already been done. I've got really light tension on this. Okay, let's go through and see what's set. One set, 2 springy, 3 springy, 3's a click, 4's a click. Going down the back. That's number 7 again. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. I'm not getting any counter rotation or anything, so I don't know that there's security pins. I'll have to watch Murlock's video again because I can't remember what I saw. Going to put a little bit more tension on now to see who's left. I think it's that first pin that's keeping me out. Maybe change over to the bottom of the keyway. Oops. Taking out the camera with the pick. Okay. See how far the pick went in there? And the key is really long. That's not counter rotation, that's just the pick hitting the tension wrench. Alright, there's my time's up. I'm going to have to call it. This is my first attempt at the Paclock PL410PRO. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.